All right, so just quickly, a very interesting announcement came that was fairly predictable. XRP is coming to Solana. Okay, another DeFi related opportunity for the XRP holders. So a breakpoint, the yearly conference of Solana is now happening in Abu Dhabi, and XRP is coming to Solana. This is the latest announcement. Okay, so as you can see, the Hex Trust and the Layer 0 core will bridge and issue WXRP, a Solana DeFi ready token, redeemable at any time, 1-to-1 for XRP on the XRP ledger. So just like we have right now the Flare FXRP, just like we have the CBXRP as well from Coinbase, and just like we have current opportunities to provide and deploy different liquidity pools on XRP, whether it's a CBXRP versus ETH versus CBBTC, or the Flare FXRP versus USDT 0, or FXRP versus Flare, etc., etc. All of these pools are yield generating, but all of them are not that popular, so to speak, because of a fairly low liquidity and volume inside XRP DeFi ecosystem. Now, because XRP is coming to Solana, and Solana is extremely hyped and very good blockchain for anything related to the internet capital markets, right? In my opinion, these pools, WXRP on Solana versus Sol, USDC, maybe whatever, maybe even RLUSD will come to Solana as well. This will be, in my opinion, we will see the highest volume pools for XRP DeFi ecosystem. So this will be a very good opportunity to actually deploy into the pools and yield using your XRPs. So it's going to be a fourth way to yield and generate yield on XRP. And because I'm very big fan of Solana DeFi, I've been LPing in Solana ecosystem for years. Orca Radio, meme coins, Sol pools, everything. BTC on Solana as well. So that's my game, so to speak. Most of my yield on a daily basis comes from Solana LPs. So this will be a very good opportunity for me to cover, of course, explain, and most importantly for all XRP holders, another opportunity that is going to be, in my opinion, one of the safest and with the highest volume, and maybe not liquidity, but the highest volume for sure, in my opinion, is going to be XRP pools on Solana. So from here on forwards, it's only up, right? It's very good to see these things. And as you can see, Solana itself is saying that XRP has stood a test of time and cemented itself as one of the crypto's preeminent and most liquid currencies. XRP long-standing utility beats Solana's high-performance execution. So with significant day one liquidity, traders, holders, and institutions can use XRP within the leading Solana DEXs, lending markets, and liquidity protocols while maintaining exposure to the underlying asset and 24/7 XRPL redemption rights. Insane. So tomorrow, on day 3, we will hear from Ripple's Luke, okay? And Luke is the global partner success lead on Ripple. So on this historic announcement, so they will be actually explaining what's happening and how it will work and when it launches. So stay away from scams. There will be many scams created right now, fake XRP coins, etc. But wait for the official stuff, and I cannot wait for this to go live so we can start deploying capital into these pools that, in my opinion, will be the most liquid and the highest yield generating pools as well. So just a quick video explaining that this is happening, and I can't wait to cover more of this topic because this is my playground. I just freaking love it. So have a fantastic weekend, the rest of the Friday as well, and I will see you on the next videos.